Hey everyone, today we will see how you can turn off age restriction on YouTube. So first of all, you have to go ahead and open the YouTube app. And once you're on the home page, at the bottom right, you should see your profile picture. You have to go ahead and click that. And then you have to click the gear icon on the top right. Now there's a lot of options here, which can be overwhelming to look at first, but it's very simple. So what you have to do is that you have to go ahead and click the second option, which says General. So let's go ahead and click that. And if you scroll down, you should be able to find restricted mode option. Now, as you can see, it is turned off for me, and if it is on for you, you can just simply tap on it to turn it off again. This option is turned on by default, and what it does is that it filters out any inappropriate or adult content. But if you don't prefer it to be on, then you can just go ahead and turn it right off. And then you will be able to browse any restricted content on YouTube without any hassle. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.